Hi friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sim. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. Let us look at the charts. This is Nifty day chart. Okay, you can see here it's a day chart. Okay, charts can be in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's a day chart. Each candle represents one single day. As we discussed yesterday, I told this low is very important. If it cuts this low, it will come up. It never, not even attempted to cut the low. From our resistance point, it has crossed and then closed. You can see the close and the high both are almost same, only 1 point difference. Whenever market closes high, highest point, next day there will be a gap up or market will go up. This is a general scenario. When market closes at the lowest point, the next day follow up will be, it will go down. See here, you can see the small candle here, high of 10,554. Okay, today high is 10,484. So this 10,544, sorry, 10,544 is very important. See you here, from here it has taken a resistance and then the next day gap down and market has gone down. So this will be very important resistance. Tomorrow, then at the same time you can see there is our 200-day moving average is also together at the same point. What I meaning is this point and this point is the same. So it will be very strong resistance. It has to break with volume, or tomorrow it can, generally if there is a strong resistance or support, market will make gap up and gap down and take out that resistance and support. So I am expecting tomorrow, as per the price action, from the point of view of price action, there may be a gap up and market go down, go up. So because as it has closed the highest point of the day, whenever the market, remember this point, whenever highest point of the day it closes or nearest to the high or lowest point or nearest to the low, market will continue its trend next day also. We can go to other charts. You can see that 61.8, the small candle high and 200-day moving average, all are confusing, like all are the same point. Okay, Sangam. So I am expecting to act as a very strong resistance. Okay, if market doesn't gap up tomorrow, then it may take a strong resistance. If it has to cross the strong resistance, there should be momentum. There should be very good volume in the morning, then it can take out. Tomorrow is a Wednesday, so we have to be little more careful. Premium, they will start eating the premium, especially in the second half, right? 1 hour chart, even in 1 hour chart you can see our 21 EMA has crossed 55. All now candles are all are above our EMAs. When the candle moves very far from the EMA, it will come back. For example, you take all the EMAs as mother, candles as a child. Whenever the child is separated from mother, it will come back to mother, or mother will go in search of child. Anything will happen. Okay, but they will meet again. They will not be separated for very long time. So if it goes very far, it will come down. If the candle goes very far, it will come back to the mother. You take candle as a child, moving average or any moving average as your mother. So mother and child will be together always. When they are separated, either mother will go in search of child or child will come back to the mother. This is going to happen, okay, today or tomorrow. One thing you have to remember is market is going up without volumes. I will show you. See, today volume is 6691. Yesterday was 6853. Turnover is 34,147. Yesterday turnover was 35. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 5 days average. 3 days average, we are comparing it for 5 days. So average turnover is coming down, volume is also has gone down. So most probably market will come down. From where it will come down, we don't know, but definitely it will come down because it is going up with less volume. You can check here. Today the volume, you can check the volume here. You can see today's volume is less, but market has gone up. Okay, let us see tomorrow how the world marketplace. Today market moved because of the world market also. World market also contributed. Nasdaq at 1.4% up. Europe is up. That is why second half we can see Europe is up by 1.23, about 1.5% average. As of now, SGX Nifty is 0.03% up. Okay. We'll also check commodities. Gold is up by 0.2%. Crude is up by 1.44%. Okay. We will add commodities also. Just a glance of the commodities from today. Right. You can see FII data. Both were net buyers. 168 crores. Here 454 crores. Okay. We have got our own chart of FII and DII. We are making it. It will take some more time to plot it as a chart. Right. Now we'll check Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty has the same case. You can see just crossed 32.8, but it has got a resistance at 100-day moving average. If it crosses that, okay, this high it crosses, this 100-day moving average crosses, it will touch 50% retracement value, that is 23,806. You can see here this high it will be cross. Okay, market has fallen from here, so this will be a resistance. Market has fallen from here, 23,260 will be a resistance. Again 23,915, what is the high? 24,024 will be a resistance. So all these 3 points will be a resistance, and we have got just crossed 38.2. we have got 100 days moving average above. If market takes out in gap up opening, then it is okay, otherwise it will struggle, or it may, what you call, it may consolidate. As tomorrow is also Wednesday, we have to be little bit more careful. You can see here market has fallen from here, so still here I think it can move easily from here. This black line is the closing of the market. See, 1 2 3 4th time it has broken. Okay, so from here you can see up to 24,024 there is no strong resistance in 1 hour candle. Right, now we'll see our other datas. FII over, all over. Now we'll go for the question of the day. Price down, volume up, delivery percent up. It is bearish, long, unwinding. Okay, now question of the day. What is OI? Just answer what is OI. Okay, don't complicate it, just tell what is OI. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Okay, everything depends upon tomorrow morning opening, and for intraday please use 5 minutes or 15 minutes candlestick also, and then you can mark this support and resistance line what we are showing in 1 hour and in day candle, and then you can start trading as per your setup. Okay, also there is a disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. Okay, please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade based on our conclusion or based on our video. Right friends, please trade safe. Tomorrow is a Wednesday. Okay, right, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.